Loud.
We don't fuck with authority.
We don't. I'll have to beep that. Oh? Okay.
Why you mad?
Because the noise is coming from our dorm. It's everywhere. No, the other noise. I think it's them. Mr. Fairbanks retired. No.
Is that happening?
No. No. Oh my God. What did you say?
Why are there balloons for this?
Stella. Nah. Left. Cheers. What are we doing?
Do you want this?
No, do you want this?
Wait, I want to take a picture of Mr. Rank. Will you hold this?
Hold on.
Okay.
Fairbanks, you get an honorary graduate.
There you go.
Pull them down so I can get those balloons in there. Perfect. One more.
You can do this in a row.
What school are you guys going?
Thomas Jefferson.
Okay.
Right down the street.
Down the street, yes. Make sure, because we do not want it to get any.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Good.
And fitness
Yeah.
and that kind of stuff.
Varsity yoga.
We're very academic.
Sure.
Okay, here we go. So,
How was your day, Sonora?
studying is always every night?
Yeah.
Good.
Here's my cute friend.
What?
Alright, so if you're wondering what's inside an iPhone screen, ta-da! Ooh, that's me. It's a mirror, then a transparent sheet, and then a white sheet. Good evening, Graham, YouTube. I decided to have a me night. It's kind of raining outside, so I took a hot bath. Did a face mask, which is pink, and you can't really tell I have a face mask on unless you really look into it, because I'm so pink myself. Now I'm waiting for it to dry completely. Oh my God! 1 second, I just stopped the music. So, as I said, I am waiting for my mask to dry so that I can take it off and also take care of my hair. I was wondering if I can blow dry my hair now, but whatever.